This is my backyard. Very woodsy. The wind's starting to blow. So it's looking kind of foggy. It's a pretty one. This has got to be 5.5 feet high. There's snow in the front of me, on the side of my house. And this has got to be, I would say, about 7 feet high right there. Having trouble walking. Oh my gosh. I better turn it off.